So having too many cars is a fun problem to have. I have my Mazda, I have my TVR, but I also have my daily driver, and I would actually like to have all 3 cars in my garage because Arizona is a very hot place to live and I don't want my car baking outside. So the problem I have is that my garage door unfortunately comes down too low. So we're going to do what's called a high lift modification and a direct drive motor operation. Hi, I'm Aaron Forrester and welcome to Aaron's Eccentric Garage. Before we even got started, I needed to make sure that my garage was tall enough. At 9.5 feet tall, I knew that I had plenty of space in my garage to stack both cars. Because the dangerous nature of garage door springs and the weight of the door, I chose to hire a local garage door specialist to perform my high lift conversion. After moving the 4-post lift into the center of the garage, the technicians began the process of removing the old tracks, torsion tube, torsion springs, and changing out the roller drums at the ends of the torsion tube. With the new tracks installed, the technicians began testing to see how high up they could take the garage door. Because I have fire suppression sprinklers in my garage, they needed to make sure there was enough clearance. After about 3 hours of work, the technicians were able to finish the upgrade to my garage, giving my garage an additional 18 more inches of headspace. Now to break down the cost. The LiftMaster motor was $450 on Amazon Prime. Parts and labor were $700, but I was able to get $100 credit back for my old torsion springs, which were still good, giving me a total of just over $1,000. So a huge thank you to Gaurdian Garage Doors LLC based out of Glendale, Arizona. You guys did an amazing job. I love having all the extra space and the ability to put my 4-post lift and both of my cars in my garage very easily. So until next time, thanks for watching.